have questions that what gives me confidence to enter in Nifty when there was an above virgin CPR and put writers and call writers. Okay, fine. Okay, so let's discuss this only. Okay, about the virgin CPR. As I have said you that if there is a virgin CPR above the market, okay, that will act as an important resistance, and if virgin CPR is below the market, that will act as an important support, right? As I have said this, and that's true. Okay, that's true. Please ignore the sound. So let's come here. Okay, so if I say you guys, if I say you that this was an location where there was a free fall, right? There was a free fall. So it was a fall of around 40 to 80 points from it is a Nifty chart. Okay, so it was a 80 to 40 points of free fall, right? But what happened after that? It becomes a minor supply zone. Okay, what becomes minor? Okay, minor supply zone. Okay, minor supply zone. So that is not a big thing. That is not a big thing. Why I gave the entry? There is some reason for this. First of all, there was a sideways market on this day, 2nd of May. This was also a sideways market that was 3rd of May. Now coming to the 4th of May, what happens here when continuously 2 to 3 days or 1 or 2 days or 3 to 4 days, this days continuously, if there is a sideways market, then possibility of having big move is possible. Okay, market won't give you a big move every day, that it have given 1000 point today, tomorrow also it will give 1000 point, and after that 500 point. It won't give like that. Okay, you can see that market was ranging in 30 to 40 points here, 40 to 80 points here, and look at today. Okay, almost it gave a 300 to 250 points. Okay, so that's the power of analysis, and what gave me the confidence that why should we enter a long position on this candle. Okay, what gave me confidence to enter over here, reason behind it, let's understand the reason. This becomes a minor supply zone, so that's also a probability to take an entry over here. And after that, you have a question that there is a virgin CPR above it, so how can we take the entry, how can we plan for the long entry, right? So let me explain you virgin CPR. If there is a virgin CPR like this, okay, if there is a virgin CPR like this, okay, and one virgin CPR like this and another virgin CPR like this, okay, so if I say you go for this virgin CPR and go for this virgin CPR, if you found this kind of a virgin CPR, but narrow CPR like this, okay, ignore this. Okay, ignore this, because this virgin CPR is not much powerful. This virgin CPR is not much powerful. This virgin CPR is powerful. This virgin CPR is powerful. Let me explain you with the chart. You will come to know. Okay, you will come to know like this. Okay, this virgin CPR is powerful, but market have not touched here, so still it is active. Okay, so still it is active. So let me take you the past chart so that you will come to know that virgin CPR should be wide enough to take the entry. Okay, so if you see here, this is a virgin CPR. Look here, market gave a bounce. Okay, let me give an example of narrow CPR so that you will understand that narrow virgin CPR, it don't give a frequent pattern. It's not a frequent pattern, but yes, whenever it gives a nice move. So this CPR, this is not a, look here. Okay, this is an average CPR. Okay, and look here, bounce. Let me give another chart. No, even this is not a good. I'm not getting a narrow CPR, because narrow CPR not always it is applicable. Okay, I got it. Okay, look here. Okay, even this is a okay type CPR. We can't say it is a narrow, and we can't say it is a wide. Okay, because this small CPR will not act as a great support. Okay, you can see here, market came here, took support and went down again, took the SL of the people and went down again. But if we say that this CPR, okay, this CPR, okay, this was even this was this strength and this strength are mostly similar, but this CPR have given the power, right? Okay, market have not respected this virgin CPR, market have respected this CPR, virgin CPR, and went up. Okay, so we can't say that like that, that is not much powerful. Okay, I don't consider this kind of an CPR much powerful, so I don't take entries on the CPR basis. But yes, if I see a CPR that is wide or too wide or average, at that point I used to take the entries. Okay, like we have a virgin CPR like this. Okay, this like this, it's a very good trade to take. Okay, but if we have a virgin CPR like this, okay, I don't consider this kind of an virgin CPR, because market don't give respects to this kind of an CPR. Okay, and you have a second question, can you please upload a video please, it's hard to understand some of the points you mentioned about the premium erosions, what would be good to see an example. Okay, fine. So if I say you that what is premium erosion? Okay, what is premium erosion? What is premium erosion in a simple term? If I say you, premium erosion is just a cluster. Okay, it's just a fight between call writers and put writers. Okay, what happened here? Look here, where you will lose your premiums. Okay, well, where both the buyers, call buyers and put buyers, both will face problem. Here is the location. Okay, here is the location. This kind of a market, this kind of an setups is very good for option sellers. Okay, option seller, these are very important location to sell the options, not for the buying the options. Imagine you have taken call option somewhere here, after that this wick went up, came down, and this was a sideways zone. Okay, so even though you are buying at the low, your premium will start decay. Okay, condition, this is an expiry day. Okay, expiry day, even though it's a late afternoon, that is 2 o'clock, all premiums started eroding, that's price becomes, all the far OTM becomes zero. Okay, so this is a very good example of premium erosion. Okay, you can go and check the strike price of 18,200, 18,150, 18,100, 18,250, all the strike price. Okay, you will see that even though the price is stagnant, not moving up and not moving down, the premium price will be going down. You can go and check from all these 5 strike price. Okay, you might be finding that 18,100 is very good to take the entry, because the price at the market is sideways, this strike price is also sideways. But 18,150, you will see that market is going down. 18,200, you will see that market is going drastically down, and 18,250, you will directly see that market is also going down. Okay, as the premium starts going on the OTM basis, your premium will be decaying to the zero, and this move gave a blast. Okay, our premium of 1.5 rupees, ultimately it went to 18 plus, and many of the traders have made the profit as well. Okay, if you have been taken, you might be also taking the profits. And what gave me confidence on this trade, that is the PCR data. Okay, look at the PCR data. Okay, I don't watch the option chart as always. Okay, I always follow up PCR data. You can see this PCR data. Okay, you can see this PCR data. At 10:10 I gave the entry, and at that moment PCR data was 1 point. Okay, that is a sign of bullishness. And before that, look at the PCR data, 0.8, 0.9, 0.8, 0.9, and the moment I gave the entry 10:10, that is I gave the entry by 10:10, look at the PCR data, it was 1.2. okay, 1.1.08 something, and after that look at the PCR data, it is just growing up. Okay, and that was the reason that I said everyone to hold the position. And second most thing which gave me confidence, look at the Nifty PCR data. Okay, look at the Nifty PCR data, 1.8, 1.9, 1.3, 1.4. this is the power. Okay, look at the power of call writers and put writers. Okay, call writers just going up, going away from the market, and put writers are just obtaining the market and having the power from the market. Look here. Okay, look here. So this is giving me the power. And look at the Banknifty PCR as well. Okay, you can see that Banknifty PCR also 1.1. that indicates that put writers are heavy on call writers. Okay, that indicates a bullishness in the market. Okay, that's giving me more confidence to take the trade in Nifty. Okay, So my view was for the today's trade was why I gave the trade, reason behind it. This was the consolidation, and day 1, day 2 it was a sideways zone, so I was expecting a move on today. Okay, this was my assumption. Okay, this assumptions give me a reality while looking at the CPR. It's a narrow CPR, that means market will be a trending. Okay, white type of CPR what indicates market will be sideways. Okay, second day average CPR, even though that day the market will be sideways. Third day it's a narrow CPR, hoping that market can be a trending day. Okay, so it gave a trending day even though it was an expiry day, so it gave a trending day. This was my first assumption. Second assumptions, this supply zone was broken. Okay, so once this range was broken, my ultimately target was here. As you know that my target was somewhere here. I have posted in the group as well. Let me show you the picture. You are in the group, but then to the pitch this video, whoever will be seeing this, he will be knowing that we are also working. So just a minute. Okay, so look here, as you know that this was my target. Okay, this was my target. We took entry somewhere here. Okay, so our entry was somewhere here, and our target was here. And as I said you in the group that 18,200 will be acting as an important support resistance. So once this level is broken, the price will be rocket. And look at the price. Okay, look at the big candles and look at here candles. Okay, you will see the candles here fighting with the bull and bears, but here look at the candles. Okay, all call writers, those who have shorted here are facing problems, and they all lose the money here. Okay, so that's a very good thing for put writers and call buyers. So that's gave confidence to the market to boom, and yes, confidence to me as well to hold the positions. So this was my analysis for Nifty trade today, and yeah, just stay in the trade from tomorrow. Try to capture one lot. Okay, whichever trade which I gave you, try to deal with one lot. Even though if I'm saying that it's a risky trade, go with one lot. Okay, and if I normally post, then go with the 3 lots. Okay, as I have said you, the lot management I have given you, go for that only, but don't miss the trade. Okay, don't miss the trade. Just take the trade even though with one lot only, but take something. Okay, don't end up with the day with the empty positions. If I'm not giving the trade, it's okay, don't take the trade. But if I'm giving the trade, and even I'm saying that it's a risky trade, go for with the one lot. And if I'm not saying that everyone can enter, okay, if I'm saying that everyone can enter the trade, you can just buy 3 to 4 lots as per your comfort zone, but do take the trades. Okay, I need you to make the money. Thank you, and stay connected. And if you have more questions, you can drop me, and sooner as I get free, I will make a video and post it to you. Thank you.